Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to add social media links to your Big Cartel store. First, log into your Big Cartel account and go to your dashboard. From there, open the Shop Designer or Settings depending on your theme. Next, look for the area where you can edit your store's footer, header, or social links section. Most Big Cartel themes include a built-in option for social media icons. Click on the Social Links or similar option, then start adding your profiles. You can paste links to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or X, Twitter. After adding your links, make sure each URL is correct and leads directly to your official social media pages. You can also choose which icons to display and rearrange their order depending on your store design. Once everything is set, save your changes and preview your website to make sure the icons appear correctly and are clickable. And that's it. You've successfully added social media links to your Big Cartel store. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.